Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing the outside of the van. We're going to be using underbody seal, the paint version and the spray paint version, frog tape, masking tape and some grease-proof paper. Because at the beginning when we got our van, it was very rusty, a lot of work needed to be done, so we need to cover it all up, put the wheel arches on, and then it'll be ready. So we're going to show you how we do it, just in case you ever need to do it to your van.
Alright guys, since we finished painting the paintable parts, we're gonna remove the frog tape because it's best to take it off straight away. And look at the result. Amateur painters painted their own van. Ain't this sick?
Sorry about the light as well guys, but we it's
dark
dark outside. We've been working on it for a long time.
Come
But
from
yeah.
this side.
Yeah. Go around you. Oh.
Alright. We've never done this before and looks pretty sick.
Look at that. Straightest line ever.
We were debating they're gonna end up straight or no. Oh, we've done a very good job. You've done a very good job. You've done the sides. This is the big part.
Yes! Not a single bit
No?
where it doesn't need to be.
That is awesome.
All the way along.
And then to next step, if it's a nice day tomorrow, we will spray paint it.
Yeah.
So there's no streaks and nothing. Because today we can't do it. It's even better than taking it to the
See?
service and somebody else does it for 2 grand for me.
Just do it yourself, guys.
Yeah, this whole van has been do it yourself.
Now look at the door when it's shut and when it's open.
And then shut and boom. Okay, now this part, this is interesting. We make the bend good.
Yeah,
Because
I'm sure we did. I'm confident.
Yup, brilliant as always.
Look at that.
It looks so shit and it looks so good now.
Honestly, I
Sorry
can't
about
even
that.
cope with how much of a good job we've done.
Last part, and then we will let you go, guys. Till the next time, which is gonna be tomorrow, because we're gonna continue the part.
Yes. To them it'll be the same day, to us it's a different day. Whoa.
Oh my god, it's so
Oh,
good.
and this part.
There's one more part. There is little mistakes and whatnot, like in
Where?
no, like here. See, we didn't
Oh,
put paint
yeah.
on the corner there. So that all is gonna get done once we start spray painting.
Exactly,
Paint.
yeah.
will
It
go
gets everywhere.
Yeah.
Which
The
is a good
last
thing and a
one.
bad thing. Oh.
Hey! Awesome! That's unbelievable. Should we paint the whole van?
No,
We're really good at this.
no,
We're very good.
no.
This is sick.
I love it.
Babes, high five. Boom.
Right. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you in a second,
For an
guys.
update. Yeah, it will be in a second actually. But anyway,
We're
take
gonna-
care and we'll
Take care.
see you soon.